Washington risks losing the arms market in Turkey altogether if it continues to delay the shipment of F-35 stealth fighter jets agreed with Ankara. The country led by President Tayyip Erdogan was able to glance at the Russian Su-35 fighter jet as a replacement. The warning was conveyed by military analysts for TASS news agency Viktor Litovkin to Russia today. If the U.S. fails to send a jet F-35 to Turkey, Ankara can certainly buy a Su-35 from Russia instead, he said. According to these experts, both fighter jets have comparable characteristics. Moscow, he said, would not take the risk of leaking sensitive military technology abroad, because Su-35 jet software is difficult to solve. Also read: 1,257 civilians killed in anti-ISIS attacks. U.S. coalition. Kremlin asks U.S. to respect Russia. According to Litovkin, it would not require much effort to integrate Russian warplanes smoothly into the Turkish military. Politicians in Washington have tried to pressure their key allies in NATO, Turkey, to cancel the purchase agreement for the Moscow S-400 anti-air missile defense system. This week, U.S. senators submitted a draft bill calling for a ban on sending 100 units of F-35 fighter jets. The ban in the bill can be lifted if Ankara guarantees that it will not get weapons from Russia. The shipment of U.S.-made stealth fighter aircraft to Turkey has been effectively blocked by the Senate last year. Meanwhile, Turkish leaders retain their right to buy weapons from anyone they want. Ankara repeatedly stressed that Turkey still adheres to the Russian S-400 missile system purchase contract. Litovkin said efforts to pressure Ankara were a sign of unfair competition used by the U.S. to control the sale of its anti-air missile defense system, the MIM-104, Patriot PAC-3. He believed that Washington would likely continue to blackmail its allies as long as possible, but at some point would be forced to surrender and send the promised F-35 jet to Turkey.